Yeah. Pretty much none job store. Thirty. I'm hitching a ride. Sweet tea biscuits on flips. Get up down here. Is it trying to be? Get on one, there's some shortcuts. You're a school teacher. What the hell? Well, there's a robotic wind up toy about the blue.
The
using the tanky store.
Mine's a sexy school teacher, and yours manages funds. She's smart, she's funny, she's a nerd. We might be supposed to wait. Suddenly we're not losers. Hey, this might sound crazy, but my sister is getting married in Hawaii, and I wanted to know if you guys wanted to come with.
Can you just give us a second?
Where's everybody at? Well, right now, it's one person.
Okay, let's go to Hawaii.
What you know about going out, man, west, relax, DVDs, all in the handbags. Tryna lift it up, ride to a bigger truck, beats all good it up, stick a pin, make a what? Jig with a cut, shit, spit it up, hold right, get your nuts up, can't give it up.
Let me get you gentlemen checked in, yeah?
Shit, this place is nice. It's gonna be mine.
Hey, nice girls don't show up for ecstasy.
One of these is a multivitamin.
Shit free. I can smoke weed out of this. I can smoke weed out of this.
Look at that future. Rap of the day.
It is, dare I say, well around.
Looks like a funhouse mirror version of a better looking dude. But he is just that dude.
It is so on this weekend.
I am not touching this guy the whole weekend. He thinks just because he brought me
Pretty
here,
much
I
chicken
should
shit.
him. Check it out. This is Mike's dick. I'd be like,